Good afternoon, everybody. This is Stevie with Plumbing Tree. We are at a customer, Brandon Barrios' home at 1750 Robinson Avenue, San Diego, California, 92103. Today is May 8th. We're conducting a camera inspection through the sewer main. You can see we're at the side of the property. That's the gate there. You can see my machine here. We just drain cleaned. We're going to be going through this 4-inch combo here. This is the restroom on the other side of the wall. So we're going to check out this sewer main and see what's going on. So at 11 feet, you can see we have this tie in here. There's a connection, not sure what type of connection it is, but it makes a hard 90. See, it's even harder to get my camera through. Now we're through. There's another straw down there. You can see it 35 feet out. We transitioned from ABS to cast iron. Start to see all the scale build up here. Another straw. You can see water flowing right now. Somebody in the back unit is using a fixture.